Hi everyone. So in this lecture we are going to start with another data structure, that is list, and we will be working with the list STL. So list STL in C++ basically correspond to a doubly linked list, and as you know what is a linked list, so a linked list is a linear data structure in which you store elements like an array, but the memory is not continuous. Like if you store element in doubly linked list like 1, then you store 2, then it will store in another part of memory, let's say 3, it will store in another part of memory, and then 4 in another part of memory. So list is like a doubly linked list where each element is connected with next element as well as the previous element. So 4 is connected with 3, 3 is connected with 2, and 2 is connected with 1. And this is head of the linked list, and this is tail of the linked list. So if you want to store data in doubly linked list, you can use the list STL. And we are going to see certain methods available with the list class. And one important thing about the list is why is it useful? So it is useful when it comes to insertion and deletion of data from the middle, because when you talk about the vector, in vector insert some element in the middle of the vector. Let's say you have an vector 1 2 3 5 and 6, and you want to insert element 4 at here. So what you can do, you have to shift these element one position afterwards. And if you want to insert an element at index 0 position, so what you can do, you have to shift all the elements one position afterward, and this process is slow because you want to shift all the elements. But in doubly linked list, what you can do, like you have a doubly linked list 1 2 in different memory location, 3 and 4, and connected back, and you want to insert a element in the beginning of the linked list. So what you can do, you have to make a new node and connect it to that node and insert the data in the new node and point the head pointer to this new node. Similarly, if you want to insert data at the end of the linked list, so what you can do, you make a new node and connect it to this node, put the data in this node and point the tail pointer to this node. Similarly, you can remove the element from head and tail. So due to these properties, list give us 4 useful methods. So first one is pushback. So this method is used for the insertion of data at the tail. Second one is push front. This method is used for the insertion of the data at the head. Third one is pop back. This method is used for the removal of data from the tail. And fourth one is pop front. and this is used for the removal of data from the head. And apart from that, you have insert. This is used for the insertion of data at the middle, and erase. This is used for the deletion of data from anywhere, and this work on the index position. And third one is remove. This is used for the removal of data from the list. Now let us see how we can use list function by the code.
Now what we will do, we can perform the basic operations on the list class, that is push back, push front, pop back, pop front, and reverse. So let's get started. First declare the header file, that is hash include list. Now declare the list class. List of having data type, let's say integer, and name the list L1. So you can declare the list by one another way, like list having data type integer, name of the list L2, and declare the elements in the list, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can declare the list of different data type, let's say we can declare the list of string. Name of the list, let's say L3, and the elements, let's say we take name of the fruits, so apple, guava, pineapple, let's say we want to insert some more fruits in the list, so we can use pushback function. So L3 dot pushback, and name the fruit, let's say mango, and if we wanna insert the fruit in the front of the list, so we use push front function, that is L3 dot push front. Let's say we wanna insert orange, now let's print the output by the for each loop. For auto x colon name of the list, that is L3, cout x arrow. So let's run this code. So you see orange will be inserted in front of the list and mango will be inserted at the tail of the list, and the remaining elements like apple, guava and pineapple. Let's say we wanna pop some element from the end of the list, so use the push pop back function, we can do this. So L3 dot pop back. So this can remove the mango from the list. So let's see. So you see mango will be erased from the list. And if we wanna remove the head element from the list, that is orange, so use pop front. So convert into pop front. So this time orange will be removed. So you see orange will be removed from the head of the list. Or you can reverse the list by the reverse function, that is L3 dot reverse. So by this way list can be reversed. Mango will be at first position and apple will be at last position. So you see mango will be at first position and apple will be at last position. And you can also sort these elements by the sort function. So L3 dot sort. So by this way these are arranged in the lexicographic order, that is in the dictionary form. So let's see. So you see these are arranged in the lexicographic order AGMP. So that's all for this video, and in next video we will see some more operations on the list. Hope you're enjoying this video. Stay tuned. Thank you.